We start with the COVID-19 situation in South Korea. Just moments ago in a briefing, South Korean health authorities talked about ways to improve how to confirm that people have been vaccinated. For more, we have our COVID-19 designated reporter, Choi Won-jong, in the studio with us. Well, welcome, Won-jong.
Thanks.
Now, Won-jong, this announcement is part of efforts to help people prove that they've been vaccinated, right?
That is right. So like you mentioned, authorities have come up with the new ways for people to show their proof of vaccination. A lot of people from overseas had trouble showing evidence of their COVID-19 vaccination when visiting coffee shops and restaurants. That is why the government has worked on more effective ways to recognize the vaccination status of travelers who got vaccinated abroad, as well as U.S. soldiers stationed in Korea. Now, starting October 7th, those who come to Korea with a quarantine exemption document can register their information online at local health centers.
Now, Won-jong, the country's health authorities are also kicking off inoculations for those people who've aged between 16 to 17 today. And bookings can be made beginning this evening?
That is absolutely right. Starting Tuesday here in South Korea, teenagers aged 16 and 17 will be able to book vaccine appointments with their parents' consent. Like previous reservation methods, reserving a slot can be done online starting 8 p.m. Korea time. Beginning October 18th, those with the reservations will begin getting the mRNA vaccine from Pfizer with a 3-week interval between the first and the second dose. For kids between the 12 and 15 years old, the booking window starts on October 18th and their vaccination will kick off in November. Again, their parents have to give a consent as well. Also, the reservation for the third additional vaccine shot, the so-called booster shot, will start on Tuesday, and from 8 p.m. Korea time, those over 60 and most medical workers will be eligible to receive the extra jabs. And this comes as the health authorities have been seeing numerous breakthrough cases due to Delta variant.
Now, Won-jong, people here in South Korea are returning to work after a 3-day-long holiday,
right.
And health authorities are concerned about a possible surge again this week. Can you tell us about the situation here in South Korea today?
So today's daily tally was 1,575, and of them, 18 were locally transmitted, and the total caseload is now over 321,000. The capital region accounted for more than 71% of the cases. The tally was slightly less than the previous day. Because of fewer tests conducted over the 3-day weekend, the daily figure dropped below the 2,000 mark recently. However, this could be a temporary slowdown. Authorities are concerned about a holiday surge as more people are traveling around the country during the 3-day holiday, which starts this weekend. I also want to point out the vaccination rate in Korea. So far, more than 39 million people have been vaccinated with at least one dose, and that's more than 77.4% of the total population. And more than 27 million have been fully vaccinated with 61%.
Okay, thank you, Won-jong, for the report today. We will see you again next week, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. Yeah, bye.